Hey guys, we're going into our new unit, which is angle relationships, and we will start with our vocabulary as usual. Hopefully you are listening to this video and not just writing. Either way, please go ahead and get the information down, cut, and glue in your interactive notebook on the next page. So the first vocabulary word we will do is transversal. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines in different points. And if you have a highlighter, I want you to go ahead and highlight the transversal. This line, it is intersecting with two parallel lines at different points. So it's this line and that line, that's the intersection, and then that is my transversal. Corresponding angles are two angles that lie on the same side of the transversal in corresponding positions. So the dots on the image show you where the corresponding angles are. This angle here correspond with this angle along the transversal. So they're on the same side of this line, but in different positions. And then we have alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles are interior angles that lie on the opposite side of the transversal. And when I say interior, interior means inside. So these angles here, they are inside, but they're on opposite sides of the transversal. And because we have interior, then of course we have exterior. Exterior angles that also lie on the opposite side of the transversal. So exterior would be the outside. Okay. There's more than one interior angle and there's more than one exterior. Because if these two are interior, so are these two. And if these two are exterior, so are these two. They are also exterior angles. Then we have supplementary angles. You guys have seen supplementary angles before. There are two or more angles whose sum is 180 degrees. Okay? And what else makes an 180 degree is a straight line. So it actually, if you put those two angles together, it'll make a straight line. That's the easier way to tell. Okay? So then for here, these two are supplementary angles. There's a lot more supplementary angles on this chart, but these are the two that we will highlight. We have vertical angles, two angles whose sides form opposite rays. We'll come back to this one later as well, but they're opposite rays. So these two are vertical. So if these two are vertical, so are these two. These two are vertical, and so are these two. And then we have consecutive interior angles. And consecutive means one on the other. So they're going to be on the same side of the transversal between two lines. And of course, they are interior. Now I don't have consecutive exterior angles, but if you can imagine, if these are interior, these two would be exterior. Okay, go ahead and cut this out, put it in your notebook, and then we have one more page to cover, and it is another video.